Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use voice typing in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top, and then you want to go down and select voice typing. Alternatively, you can also select the Control, Shift, and S key combination on your keyboard in order to open up this option. And then you just would click to speak. You have to allow access to your microphone in here, and then at a certain point you would be able to see it actually start typing directly into the document. Please make sure that your cursor is actually selected where you want the text to begin appearing, and you can see that it is dictating it as I speak directly onto the document page. So pretty cool feature there, guys, and as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.